What's up, everybody? Levy here, and today we have another paving video, another Millings job. The plants won't be open up till later this week. I'll be sure to film that. But as some of you requested, I'm trying to make more paving videos for you, so here you go. I'm gonna lay a good about over 100 ton, 120 tons, somewhere around there of Millings. Got this driver goes around this pole building here and up to his house and shoots down there. Well, that's the first load down and many more to go. Well, about halfway there. Anyways, guys, in my last video I got a comment asking what is the difference between Millings and hot mix asphalt. Well, it's pretty much easy to explain. Millings here really is called, or recycled asphalt. It is just old asphalt crushed up into, well, it's pretty much gravel. But I mean, believe me, it is a lot better than gravel. You know, it packs down much tighter. And by the way, this is doing a pretty good job of packing this stuff down. But yeah, I mean, it's not as good as hot mix, but honestly it'd be like a much cheaper alternative. You know, this stuff works really well for, well, guys like this right here. You know, got a big shop yard, you run heavy equipment on it, it works really well for that. So I mean, that's simply pretty much the difference between Millings and regular asphalt. And also I forgot to mention that this stuff you can drive on it immediately. You know, regular asphalt, you gotta wait a couple days before you can drive on that. We're almost done. Got that little bit to go. Nope, almost finished, and we're getting snowed on. Not Wisconsin for you. Well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.